So check it out. Working on another Marx dual cab using E7 shells that were badly damaged in the back. I cut the bad damage off and I glue the two good halves together. Used plastic weld initially, and then I use jbweld steel stick to reinforce the seam, and then I'll use some body putty and fillers to fill it all in. I also have some Marx 21 diesel truck covers on the power pull motor. There's a power pull motor in there. I also drilled the hole so that the motor mount screw will go in. So we're going to take it for a spin. They still use these on the Victorian Railroad in Australia, so I may actually paint another down under scheme on this one. So we'll take it for a spin. We'll make sure everything's working smoothly. Pick the camera up so we can see what's going on. I'm running it a little faster than usual. I want to make sure that there's no problems. I don't hear any binding. It looks like it's running nice and smooth. One of the other tricks is to make sure that it sits level, because sometimes you get the power plate in there. You got to make sure that it's level with the back end. Okay, power pull motor's running great, everything's smooth. So keep watching. I'll keep updating you on how this progresses. And thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.